YouTube video. Resin Dairy, a colorful and creative project. Learn how to create stunning, customizable resin dairies with vibrant colors and unique designs. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process of mixing resin, adding pigments, and incorporating various elements to create one-of-a-kind diaries. Perfect for journaling, note-taking, or simply adding a touch of creativity to your everyday life. Materials: resin and hardener, pigment powders or liquid dyes, empty dairy or notebook gloves, mask, and a well-ventilated area. Mixing cups and sticks optional. Dried flowers, glitter, or other embellishments. Prepare your workspace. Set up your workspace in a well-ventilated area and put on your gloves and mask. 3. Mix the resin. Follow the instructions on your resin kit to mix the resin and hardener in the correct proportions. Stir gently until the mixture is smooth and free of bubbles. 4. Add color. Add your desired pigment powders or liquid dyes to the resin mixture. Stir until the color is evenly distributed. 5. Pour the resin. Carefully pour the colored resin into the empty dairy or notebook. You can add layers of different colors or incorporate various elements like dried flowers or glitter. 6. Cure the resin. Place the diary in a dust-free environment and allow it to cure according to the instructions on your resin kit. This process typically takes 24 to 48 hours. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully created a beautiful and unique resin dairy. You can customize this project in countless ways by experimenting with different colors, materials, and designs. So, grab your resin and get creative. Don't forget to share your creations in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Call to action.